Everybody get your fucking hands up.
Friends, today I will show top 5 free YouTube intro making sites online. You can make your channel intro very easily by this site. Please see description box for the site link. Number 1, Panzoid. By this site, we can make an intro in different categories, with a lot of intro templates. The main template category is chipmaker, background, and video edit. Number 2, Light MV. By this site, we can also make an intro in different categories, with a lot of intro templates, as our requirement. Number 3, Flixpress. Flixpress is one of the best site for make intro and video editing. You can try this site, different type of template. Number 4, Velocity. For making a free intro, Velocity is another top-level, free intro making site. You can see a lot of template here for editing your intro. Number 5, Blender. The Blender is another favorite, free intro making site. By this site, you can make intro very easily. If this video is helpful, please stay with us for more helpful and latest updated all video. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more new tech and ICT related videos.